smart city concept, actually, how does it look like? It looks something like this. You have thousands of informations, thousands of points which actually you need to connect and you need to analyze and to get some idea. The idea is actually to get benefit to the people who are living in some general area, and ability to use the system to get better living area. So if we look this scheme here, this picture, we can actually, by the scientific definition, we can say that actually this is the big data problem. Now, what is the big data? The big data, okay, now it's going to come one definition, but let me say, this is not definition that I have made, this is definition that somebody else have made, and it's mentioned 21 million times on Google, which say, big data is like teenage sex. Everybody talks about it, nobody really knows how to do it, everybody thinks everybody else is doing it, so everybody claims that they are doing it. Why I'm saying this, it's very simple. Because really we need to, this problem of the big data, actually the smart city concept and big data actually, which represents the data which we have in all around us, actually need a scientific approach to be able to get the results and ideas how to make the system for the people to be better. Some other a little bit more scientific definitions said that the big data, first at all, there are many definitions, but we can take two of them. The belief that more than data you have, more insight and answers you will arise automatically from the pool at ones and zeros. This is impossible. The new attitude by business, non-profit, government agencies, and individuals that combine data from the multiple sources could lead to the better decision. To be able to provide these two, to solve these two problems, actually, we need to use the high-performance computing. And then we come to the point when the high-performance computing meet the big data. In that level, we come to the point with the high-performance data analysis. High-performance data analysis, actually, it's a data explosion fueling the growth of the high-performance data analysis system from the mix of long-standing and newer factors. So we can say that HPC system to run data-intensive modeling and simulation problem in large scale, proliferation of larger, more complex scientific instruments and sensor networks, growth of stochastic and parametric modeling and iterative problem-solving methods, ability of new advanced analytic methods and tools, and escalating need to perform advanced analytics in near real time. So, what we see in this definition, we see data-intensive modeling and simulation, complex scientific instruments, stochastic parametric modeling, iterative problem-solving methods, new advanced analytics methods, and everything need to be done in near real time. Forget about real time, we speak about near real time. It's impossible to do it in real time. So, what else, what other are doing? This idea about using the high-performance computing for the growth of the smart cities, this is not a new idea. Just the problem that we are dealing, that we will do at Rijeka University, together with some other partners, is to develop the algorithms and systems and methodology how to implement high-performance computing in a smart city concept and to get results for the benefit of the people. As you can see, more than 12 million times in Google you have the two meanings, HPC and smart city. And to be honest, when I was doing this analysis, I found out actually that this concept is quite well implemented in Asia, especially in Singapore, Japan, even in China. In Europe, it's not so well implemented, but there are some very good examples, like the city of Bristol. In the United States, it started to implement it maybe last 1 year and 2 years ago. But all of these concepts to apply the high-performance computing for the smart cities are coming to the famous triple helix problem, actually idea. We need to have academy, we need to have the government, and we need to have the industry all together to come to the product which is going to be applied for the benefit of people who are staying in some region. According to this one, we started the CCON in Rijeka, which is national SICOM for the smart cities, and together with the companies and the university and with the local government, we are trying to prepare ourselves for developing of the new products which are going to be applied, tested on the live system, and then later on can be used on different regions. And finally, we come to the one point which I need to say. We cannot do it without high-performance computing. We, Trico University, we just bought a new system. It's called Bura. Most of you know what does it mean, Bura. And it's under the Center of the Advanced Computing and Modeling of University of Rijeka. The system, it's supercomputing system, consists from three parts: hybrid cluster, and SMP system. And I will jump over this technical stuff, but I will just say like this. We are just currently, just last week, announced on top 500 system, HPC systems, we are 440. First time ever, Croatia has the representative of this kind of system in the world on this kind of list. But the concept also, which the smart city need to take care, is the green stuff. We are on the green list on 75th position. What does it mean? That we spend quite less electricity for the computing power, and one more test that it was run helped with our friends from the Smarties and Bull. It's the HPC-G system, which we are 48 on the world. So we have the infrastructure, we have the capability and knowledge, we have the industrial partners, and definitely we are going in a discussion of the smart city concept, implementation. Why? To help our fellow citizens to get better living area for all of them. How we will do it? As I said, together with the local and regional government, R&D, which is going to happen at university, industry, and using the HPC system for the HPDA analysis for getting the smart city. I think that I'm in line, and thank you very much.